In this video, I'm going to teach you how to complete linear footage calculations. So as you can see on the left-hand side, I have a copy of my office floor plan. You can see I've got my floor plan and then the elevation drawings below. And on the right, you can see I've got a page that shows my calculations because of course I'm gonna make sure, just like with any other math we've done as students in our career, that we show all of our work. So I'm going to begin by calculating the linear footage for wall borders here, and I'll begin by obtaining the dimensions for the length and the width of my space. Now you can see the length is over here, it's 19 feet 3 inches, and the width of the room is 13 feet 8 inches. And you can see I've written that under step 1 over here. Now step 2 is going to be to convert feet and inches to inches, and so we're going to convert that 19 feet to inches. So 19 times 12 is 228 plus 3, that extra 3 inches right there, equals 231 inches for the length. 13 feet converted to inches, so 13 times 12 equals 156, plus that extra 8 inches that we see over here added in means our width is 164 inches. Next, I'm going to calculate the linear inches, which is the perimeter for the wall border. And so you can see I'm adding 231 inches to 164 inches and multiplying that by 2 to get 790 inches. Now you can see that over here, you can see that I have that 231 in inches and the 164 inches here, but I actually have that twice because I have 2 lengths and 2 widths. So you can see here, I'm going to add those length and width together and multiply by 2 to get the total. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is subtract for the window and door width. But before I can subtract the window and door width, I have to convert the window and the door width from feet and inches to inches. And so you can see on my elevations here, I'm going to begin by looking at the windows on the north wall. And so you can see here the width is 7 feet 4 inches. So I'm going to convert those feet to inches. So 7 feet times 12 is 84, plus that extra 4 inches over here means that my north wall width is 88 inches. Down here on my west elevation, I can see on my west wall, the width of my window here is 14 feet 8 inches. So once again, I have to convert 14 feet to inches by multiplying by 12 to get 168, and then adding that extra 8 inches to get 176, which is our west wall window width. The next thing I need to do is take out for the width of these doors. Now these doors you can see are 3 feet wide, so converting that to inches, 3 times 12 is 36. But of course we have 3 doors, see? 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 doors on the east wall. So 3 times 36 is 108 inches worth of door widths. Now we have to add up the widths of the windows and the doors. So we can see we've got our 88 inches, plus our 176 inches from the west wall, 108 inches from the door width, and that means that we have 372 linear inches that would have to be taken out because we don't need wall border in front of the windows. So next we want to subtract the widths of the windows and the doors from the total linear inches. So you can see up here, 790 inches, that was our number up here. And then we need to subtract 372 here with a total of 418 inches. So if I had a little wall border like a mosaic or a railing of some kind, you could see here it's going to come across this area right here and it's going to be subtracted. That total linear footage will be subtracted with these elements taken out. So once I end up with that 418 inches, I'm going to add my 10% extra. So 418 times 1.10. So there's my 10% added to my whole number to get 460 inches. Next, I'm going to convert the linear inches to linear feet by dividing 460 inches by 12 to end up, and I'll round up to 39 feet 0 inches. Now that's the linear feet that I would need for a wall border if we took away the widths of all of these openings. And that is how you calculate and complete the linear footage calculations.